guys, I promise you, it was just pouring down raining. And I was like, well, I'm not gonna be able to vlog today, but since the sun is out, gang, I'm sleepy. Not sleepy, I was just kind of like, just woke up making noodles right now. But after that, I gotta pick up the girl with the fat booty, which is my girlfriend of 4 years, or almost 4 years. And I don't know, see what happens after that. Alright, what's up guys? It looks like it might rain soon, so I'm gonna try to get some clips because I haven't been able to get clips yesterday, and I want to stay daily, so I might just get clips and that's it. Maybe I should switch the angle up, but if you follow me on Instagram, it's the same thing as my YouTube. Camera Guy Chris. I did this in an Instagram video a long time ago. But I just want to do it right now because it seems really fun. I'll switch the angle up though. I'm gonna try to switch it up a little bit and do something different from my Instagram video. I'm taking it. That took way longer than it should have, and I don't know how much time I got, so I'm gonna try to keep doing some new stuff or whatever. Not new, but I don't know, semi-new. All right, here we go. Okay, I haven't ice picked this rail in a long time. I think the only time I ice picked is when I learned it, when this guy Sam taught me. From like, he was like in the military. But he taught me how to do them, and then I did it, I think Travis or Ryan, somebody did it in a game of bike, and I like tried to do it. I might have chinked it, I don't know. I never like really slid it. I don't know, I'm just gonna try to do it again. Warm up. Woo. Alright, that was kind of cool. That was like a real trick. Well, I mean, I'm not really a rail guy, but that was like a real rail trick, you know? Because usually all I do is double pegs down rails, but, you know, did ice. So, pat on my back. Let's try to do something else. It's literally kind of drizzling on and off right now. I'm gonna try to get something else. Let's just send it. Let's do a 180. I haven't done that in a long time, and for some reason, the last time I thought about doing it, I didn't do it. So I'm gonna send it right here. Actually, I'm gonna 180 over the rail since I haven't done it in a long time. Let's tilt the camera about right here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of scary. I don't know why. Like, even just jumping straight over it hurts. But I'm just gonna give it one shot. Like, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Oh my gosh! I hope I didn't go out of frame. I gotta look at this footage. All right, guys. I just looked at the footage and it's good. Yeah, my foot came off a little bit, but it did not touch the ground, so I'm not redoing that because this ain't a contest. This ain't a video. Like, this ain't an edit. It's just a vlog, and you know, more chill like edit, I guess you could say. I guess if I throw music in it, I guess it turns to edit, but There's probably no music in this. I don't know. I haven't edited it yet. But it will come out today. Like the day I uploaded this, the day I filmed it. If you cared about that, I don't know. Alright, well, it's not raining, so I'm gonna try something else. I really don't even know what to do because that was pretty scary right there. Like, it hurt. And that was little. That's just a little skate park thing. It's not really that big. Alright, I'm gonna do something else. Huh? Yeah, it's mine. So I'm gonna try to bump jump to like double peg there. I just felt my first raindrop, so I need to hurry up. I can land this right now. I'm happy with that. That was kind of fun. Like it was different, but I don't know. I don't know what you call it. Like bonk to double peg. All right, I'm gonna try something else since it's not raining officially yet. So I don't know. Here we go. Shraggy. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to like alley-oop 360 and then like fakey slider down that. It's probably gonna look stupid, but it's like raining, so it's kind of like perfect trick to try right now since it's about to get slippery. Okay, that's not gonna work. It just really hurts, and I don't have time to keep trying it. So I'm gonna do 360 foot jam the slider. I haven't done that before. No time to fix it. Ow. Elbow. Elbow. Okay. If this doesn't work in like 3. Oh my gosh, I felt like the camera wasn't even me. And barely, it spun. Damn it. I don't like get close, then we're gonna go to something else since it's not raining yet. Yeah, screw that trick. I might just do 360 fakey slider because that felt cool just now. And I almost got it. 360 fakey disaster hop down slide. Woo! So it's like for raining. I want to do one more trick just to try to top it off. Well, you know what? This is probably it. No. You know what? I'm by myself. One thing you should never do: ride a skate park with no helmet, and ride a skate park alone with no one there around you. Because if I do fall and get hurt, you guys will watch me die, but I'm literally just gonna sit there and die because no one's gonna be there to, like, you know, be like, hey, 911, come get this dumbass from just rode his bike with no helmet and was doing all these super awesome cool tricks and fell and hurt his head. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it's not raining tomorrow. I don't know how the weather is supposed to be this week, but you know, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Camera guy Chris, out.